Hey there, kiddos. Let's make a burger together. First, your parent may have printed out some worksheets for you. Take the one that looks like this and color in all the food items you see. We've even given you hints as to what the colors should be. Next, when you're done coloring, cut out each food on the dotted lines with child-safe scissors. Be careful with those scissors while you cut your paper. Then, take the second worksheet that looks like this, the one with the different lines of food on it. Starting at the left and moving right, build a burger based on the order on the worksheet. The first line starts with the bun, so place the bun down first. Next is the patty, so place that on top of the bun. Then place the tomato, then the cheese, then the onion, then lettuce, then ketchup, then mustard, and then the top bun. Try to do all 4 lines by yourself. If you'd like, ask your parent to check your work. Then, when you're all done, you can even use your burger to pretend play with your parent or sibling. You can pretend you're the burger stand owner and they are the customer. If your customer asks for their burger to go, what could you wrap it in? Find something around the house to wrap your burger in. Maybe a piece of paper, a napkin, a scarf, or something else. Your parents may even have other ideas on how you can play together. We hope you enjoyed making a burger today. Happy playing, everyone!